Hello, people.
I don't want to accept.
Today is Valentine's
I
Day,
don't want to accept.
and this is my
I
Valentine.
don't want to accept.
Who doesn't want to be
Please,
my Valentine?
Please.
Okay, Ayush,
Dislike the video
okay,
to give me support.
to give me support. Ayush, don't say that, Jonu. How I feel.
And subscribe to my Instagram.
Okay, correct. His
Please,
Instagram is
please,
Ayush
please,
Godzilla.
Please.
And what else was I about to say? I forgot.
Please.
Okay. Yes, Ayush. Yes. You post something every day, then people will automatically follow. So that's what. As of I was reading this book called
Subscribe to my
called
Instagram.
Geography of Genius, and in fact, there's another book that I read.
Subscribe to my. Don't.
I'll do a proper review of
Please.
it soon.
Just dislike the video to support me and not
Okay.
make mommy my Valentine. That's just inappropriate.
Inappropriate. I will show you what is appropriate. Going to La Meridian and eating something nice is appropriate.
Yeah, that is
No, it was so
appropriate,
nice of
but
them
this
to.
isn't appropriate.
I told my son and he was so excited. So maybe next time at least we will go to some nice, exciting place. So I'm stuck with this little young man, but he's my forever Valentine.
No!
And we enjoy spending time with each other.
I don't.
My sweetheart.
I don't
And
like-
we'll get rabbits. Now can I be your Valentine?
No, I want the bunny.
Now we'll make the rabbits his Valentine.
Yes,
yeah.
rabbits are my Valentine.
Okay. So on that note, thanks
Bunny,
for
bunny,
watching and
and
please
bunny and bunny.
subscribe.